Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the part 3 of 5 amazing websites that will blow your mind. So once again, in this video we will be looking at these 5 amazing websites that you've never heard about, and I'm sure you'll be pretty amazed at it. So before getting into it, let's subscribe the channel, like the video, and comment down what do you want to see next in this channel, and comment your favorite website. Let's get into it. Number 5, dinosaurpictures.org. So this website, it will show you what did earth look like some millions of years ago. Over here it shows now it's currently showing 240 million years ago how it looked. So it was just a piece of land, not divided into 7 continents. You can also search a particular place, and you can also jump directly to different stages of earth. Like for example, I can say when did the first multicellular life start. In that also I can put it. And so let me put a place where I am currently living, that's Bangalore in India, and it will show you with the red pointer. So it's going, and you can zoom in through your mouse scroll, and this is where I live. This was the whole India, and then after some time it did get separated from this piece of land. So now let's check to 750 million years ago. So this is how the earth looked like 750 million years ago. Number 4, roboboogie.cloudclub.org. So when this website opens, you can start having some fun. It's just a little bit time pass kind of website, you can say. And when this website opens, you have to select a robot first. Let us select. I will not select this. Let's go to next, and next. This is kind of good, and next. No, previous one itself. Let's select it, and here after go this. Now here comes the fun part. Over here we can control the movement of the robot and make it dance. So I'll just make some adjustments to the movements. You can make its head move up and down, left, right. You can make its arms move up, down, left, right. Swinging angle you can change. You can also move the forearm. You can also move its head alone. You can also move its hips. So this you can have some fun time. If you have nothing to do, you can have some fun with this. Number 3, facesoffacebook.com. So when you open this website, it will show you a number and a lot of photos, a hell lot of photos. Let me explain you what this number is. This number is the number of Facebook profiles, you can call it, or you can say the number of people present on Facebook. And each and every picture present over here will take you to a profile of that person. You can, if you want, you can be friends with them, or whatever you want you can do. This is a really amazing website, and there are a hell lot of photos in here, and you can go and check it out. Number 2, flightradar24.com. So this website, it shows you each and every details and the position of the flights and the helicopters flying. So when you open this website, it will show you this kind of interface, and there are so many flights currently over here in this place, and you can see the real time position. So this, I guess it's a helicopter, yeah. You can click on the helicopter icon and it will show you the details. At what height is it flying, when did it take off, each and everything. So let's go to any one of the airport which is over here. See, you can see this flight, you can see the actual movement of the flights and the helicopters moving here and there. So you can see this Fly Emirates, and you can see the details, how many passengers are there in it. It won't show the details of the passengers since it's confidential, and you also won't get to see I guess the army's helicopters or airplanes or fighter jets, because those will never be revealed. You can also type in any airport which you wish to look at, and it will show you the details. Suppose let me type this, which is present in Bangalore, and it will show me the details of all the landing flights, taking off flights, and you can see over here these two flights are currently coming over here. So I can click on any one flight and see from where it's coming. See over your details, you can check. Go and explore more. You will get a lot of information on this. Number one, supercook.com. So we all do have some problem, like we keep thinking what to make, and we keep searching for different kind of recipes. So this website makes it even more simpler for us to just it will just ask us to add the ingredients we want, or what we have already, the ingredients, and with that it will give us a recipe, different kinds of recipe, not even a single. It will give you hundreds of recipes which you can make. It's also present on your Play Store and your iOS, that's the Apple Store. So let me click on some ingredients and we'll see what and all recipes it's showing. See, till now I clicked 7 ingredients and it's showing me 171 recipes. I can still add more. Let me keep on adding. Okay, so I think that is it, and it'll also ask you some suggestions, like which ingredient extra you have. I'll click on it and it's currently showing me 196 recipes with 11 ingredients, and after I click on that, and it's showing me 624 recipes with these 12 ingredients. I can make those many recipes. That's a lot. So that is really amazing, and that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, like this video. Let's get it to 12 likes. So make sure you like this video and comment on your favorite website, and what would you like to see in the further videos. Do comment that also. Goodbye.